key to good business growth isn't about having an excellent business plan, it's about being an excellent executioner. Stick around to find out what I mean. So many of you will have downloaded my free guide, the 1 Hour Business Plan, from my website by now, and if you haven't, then you probably should. If you fill this out, what you end up with is a brilliant business plan, including some SMART targets, plus some specific strategies, i.e. the things you're going to do in order to hit those targets, and an activity plan. How much of any given thing you need to do in order to hit your target. In terms of marketing, that might be the number of leaflets you're going to send or the number of Facebook contacts you're going to get, but you should have a specific target for activity in your plan. And if you complete this, you'll probably have the best business plan you've ever written. What a lot of business owners do, they get to the end of the year and realise they haven't achieved the targets and the goals they set, and they go, well, that plan was rubbish. What a waste of time that was. Problem is, it probably wasn't the plan at all. It was more than likely the execution. And I spend a lot of time with clients making sure that they're implementing their plan, doing the things that they need to do and holding them accountable. So get yourself an accountability partner. If you can't think of a good one, go on my website because there's loads of ways we can help you with that. Just remember, have an excellent plan, but don't forget to execute every single bit of it. So that's Gary Maskell, Advice for Business, Chief Executioner.